Hey guys, this is Casey Stubbs and I want to give you an update on a trade I'm going to take. This is the Australian dollar on a daily time frame, and you can see that the chart is in a nice channel. Every time we get a bounce off this chart, we get a little move up here off this bottom channel. Here's a nice bounce all the way to the top. Here's one that goes up to this resistance point right up here. And then here's another one that's a really nice bounce, and now we've got one more right down here, and looks like we've been challenging this level for 1, 2, 3, and now 4 days. So let's go ahead and take a look at the hourly time frame, and you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, and this last one broke below the channel, and now it's popping up nicely. So what I'm going to do is take a long trade right here with a target of about 72.85, about 100 pips away, and I'm going to have a secondary target to the top of the channel, which is about 234 pips, with a stop loss about 54 pips down here. Give it a little bit of room, maybe 60 pips, just to give it a nice room, but it's really good risk to reward. 60 with 100 on the first one, and then 60 with 240 on the second trade. So with those two, it should be really good. And you know, this channel strategy doesn't work every time, but it does work really nicely. If you look at the last one I did, it was on the pound yen, and you can see I called it here. Go back to my Twitter feed, you can find it, and it's right here. And if you ever need anything on Twitter, just check me out and respond. Thanks.